Now, my original intention for making a tape measure antenna was just to make a 3-element Yagi. Now, the plans that I have gives credit to these guys here, and that's WB2HOL, AA4XS, K4TMN, and I'll make sure to put credit in the links below. I do still intend on making this 3-element Yagi, although I do intend on changing the way that this is attached. They use hose clamps, and I will use a different method for actually attaching my elements. They've got the line for the feed line run outside of the tubing. I think they'll change that and run it on the inside. And here's the remainder of the plans. I'll post links to this down in the down there. And what I actually have done is I found plans online to integrate a 2-meter and 440, so I'd have VHF and UHF on the same boom. And I'll be doing that with the two sets of elements phased 90 degrees from each other. Now, I've gone ahead and I've marked up my pipe, and I'm going to wind up, this is just a piece of 1-inch PVC, just Schedule 40, and as you can see, I've given myself 12 inches to play with down here at the end, and with that 12 inches, that'll be like my handle, and I have some other ideas for this for modifying it. And until I can make a diplexer, I'm going to have 2 feed lines coming out of this, so I might actually need something to mount my radios on. But as you can see, the 12-inch mark is where the very first element will get placed, and it'll be at 12 inches, and that'll be the 2-meter reflector. And then at 20 inches is where the 2-meter driven element's going to be. And being as all the plans I've found seem to show a hairpin match, I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. So that hairpin match will come up a little bit, and since it's supposed to be 8 1/4 inches, that means it'll fold to about, 8 1/2, it'll fold to 4 1/4. So what I did then is I just set up my plans to go ahead and integrate a 440 antenna right starting here with the reflected element at 25 inches. That should put this a 1/4 inch away from the hairpin match. And then from there moving along to, now this will be 90 degrees off